大家好，我是海星，今天要来玩海绵宝宝。我私底下有破译整个海盗船，也是成功救出了最后的伙伴小瓜。今天我们要来玩海之霸餐厅第一关，海之霸的贪吃鬼。影片开始之前，要先帮我订阅、按赞这支影片。好，我们先开始。
Here we come. Who's coming with me?
那我们破过了这个小瓜，它跑超快的，那是全世界最快的瓜牛。这是什么？那里有怪怪的东西，它看起来像是那个皮老板的老婆。真可怕！他妈他就死了，太难了吧！这看起来像是皮老板的老婆又有新的变形了。
Nothing can stop me from
好难
going in this
哦！
direction.
我直接放弃啊！我走下面。后面有狗！后面有狗！你看那里有一只很逼真的狗。哦，然后过了。上面是会让我操纵容易失误的东西，然后下面是皮老板的老婆。然后走过去之后，快跑哦！太困难了。回来了，我过
Nothing can stop
了。
me from going in this direction.
Come on, come on. Ugh. I don't get it, Karen. We've tried everything. Why can't I get this stupid bottle open?
Because, Plankton, it can only be opened with love. And you have to kind of
海绵宝宝，
hold it at an
你人
angle
真
and
好。
jiggle it a bit, but mostly love.
Sponge Brain? How did you get past my cousins? And my terrifying transmogrifier machines?
You mean those tickle transformers were yours? I love those things.
好嘲讽我。
What? But I spent so
我已
much
经被他打
time
败很多
building
次了。
them. They should have had you screaming for mercy by now.
但都被我摧毁
All
掉。
right, Plankton. I think your plans have gone about as far as they can. I'll take it from here.
Yes, destroy him, my computer wife. Take him out of there.
我要跟他老婆对战的。
But I'm gonna need that
Plankton,
formula
how do you
back.
plan on failing to steal the Krabby Patty formula this time? Yellow is
赢了，打败了。下半辈子，
Did it, boyo! You're not fired after all.
太
Oh,
棒了，
thank you, Mr. Krabs.
谢谢。
I'll never let you go again.
Hey, you promised us all Krabby Patties when this was over.
Yeah, how you gonna pay up now?
Okay, let's not do anything rash here.
可怜，
And if we catch you out in the streets, you can expect more of the same.
他们再也不相信皮老板了。
Okay, see you all at the family reunion.
好可怜哦。
Oh, why does this always
孤立排挤人。
happen to me? Defeated, beaten, broken, and alone.
Aw, don't be so hard on yourself, Plankton. I'm sure your
Oh,
evil
yeah,
machinations will work out someday.
Really? You
哇，
think
海绵
so?
宝宝要加入他
I
了
mean,。sure. And until then, you don't have to be alone. You've got 6 friends right here.
I do?
是吗？
Does?
Meow meow.
Boyo. You
他
do
刚刚
remember
在
all the
已经
thieving,
过好
kidnapping,
几
and
天了。
destroying of the Krusty Krab he just did, don't you?
Yeah, he ruined my whole day. I could have been reading.
My tail's gone frizzy from all the fighting.
And I'm still hungry, and that makes me mad. Let's squish him.
海绵宝宝，你是大好
I
人。
know Plankton's been a real grump today. But if we turn our backs on a friend when he's having a bad day,
众人一脸
what
就是
kind
他们
of
不是
friends
我的
does
朋友
that
啊，
make us?
他们
Maybe
感
you're
觉
right, SpongeBob.
他们感觉很无奈。
I suppose I can finish my magazine tomorrow.
I spoke in haste, and for that,
现在他们很生气，
Well,
然后
I
大家
still
都
want to
瞪着
stop
他
him.。Oh, I guess I won't this time. For you, boyo. But you better get out there and find me
想跟我
enough
们一
gold
起
to
玩
fix the
吗？
Krusty Krab.
我想要
So
非
what do
常
you
想
say, Plankton? Wanna play
皮
with
老
us?
板加入我们。
I think I'd like that very much.
哇，真的！哇，最后一个朋友是皮老板。
Wow, treasure!
宝藏追紧令啊！下一次我们就来玩宝藏追击令，再来就是最后一个部分了。好，也即将迎来了尾声。这个蟹堡追击令，好，大家拜拜。